Hi everyone, today I'm showing you how I prepare my hair before I do any long hairstyle like box braids or fitting braids, any hairstyle that I would keep for more than 1 week. Before we start, I want to introduce you to the Hair Growth Potion by Queen's Natural. So this is a mix of oil. I'm actually going to read what it's written on the little card that you get when you get one of the little hair growth potions. So what it says, it's a hair potion growth oil, and it shows you how to apply it. So she says, apply in the morning and before bed, apply onto scalp and massage for 1 to 2 minutes at night, and use a satin cap. Apply in braids, as many as necessary. Apply to edges to fortify and promote hair growth. Use a hot oil treatment before shampoo. Use oil and deep conditioner for maximum hydration. So what I just did is I actually used it in my conditioner right now when I wash my hair before, just to prepare my hair, because I'm gonna be doing a protective hairstyle next. So in my next video you're gonna see it's gonna be a protective hairstyle, and then you can go and watch it, I'm pretty sure, in like 1 or 2 days. But what I really like about this oil is the scent and also the texture. So I'm gonna show you right now what it looks like when you just open it. And I really do like when it's like that thing, that drop thing, so you can know approximately how much oil you put in your hair, and you're not like dropping everything in your hands and it drops on the floor or anything. You can directly apply it to your scalp, which I'm going to show you later in that video. So as you can see, it's really like liquidish, like it's not too thick, which I really like, because it's really easy to go and massage it onto your scalp. So I've been using it for like 5 days now. I really like it, and I really wanted to try it before so I can actually speak on the product now. And I'm actually going to also do the length of my hair, like check the hair length, so that in a month or a month and a half I'm actually going to do another video and see how long my hair grew with the help of this oil. Also, last thing, I wanted to tell you about the ingredients of this oil. So it's all here, and for every oil that you will receive, I guess you'll have this with it, so you're informed of how to apply, how to use it, but also all the ingredients. So the ingredients for this one is Jamaican black castor oil, avocado oil, olive oil, sweet almond oil, argan oil, rice oil, grapeseed oil, blended essentials oil, botanical herbs blend 100% made with love. Thank you. So this is a really good mix of every oil you need for your hair strength and hair growth actually. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start preparing my hair for this long-term hairstyle, protective hairstyle. So first, what you want to do is start on freshly washed and conditioned hair. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna spread the oil on my roots and actually massage it to make sure that the oil goes into my roots and actually helps with the hair growth, but also with my hair to be more shinier and more powerful when I do the hairstyle. Sérieux là?
Ah oui, là je vois que des faux cheveux.
Mais ça c'est mes cheveux,
Ça fait pas à l'envers.
Ça va pas la tête?
Mais oui.
Mais viens regarder mes racines, t'es fou? Regarde.
Attends, laisse-moi toucher. Ça là, derrière ça, par exemple ça.
Vas-y, tire.
Ça pas ça.
Mais oui, ça moi, ça va pas la tête.
Ah machallah, c'est tes cheveux tout ça.
Bah oui.
Pourquoi ça vient? Je crois que t'avais une perruque. T'avais des rajouts.
And I'm just gonna keep on going massaging with the oil on my roots, and I'm also gonna measure my hair so that I can actually give you more of a feedback of this oil after like a month or so. And then for now I'm gonna keep the hairstyle, protective hairstyle, for at least a month in my hair, so I probably will be able to show you the results. But now this is how I'm just gonna measure my hair, and then you'll see. So here they are, my hair are reaching the 11 inch. So I'm gonna say it's 11 inch, and I'm just gonna keep that in mind and write it down somewhere so that I can just say it again when I do the other length check in a month. And so now, to have my hair fully ready for the long protective hairstyle, I'm just gonna simply blow dry my hair, and I'm gonna try to do it on low heat. So if you can do it on low heat, it's better because it's just gonna protect your hair from any heat damage before you're doing a protective hairstyle, so that would be good. And I'm also using a blow dryer that has a comb on the end, just to make sure that I have no knots or anything, so that when I do my protective hairstyle, it's already easier for me to start on my hair and not have to detangle or just worry about any heat damage or detangling. And yeah. And yeah, I'm just gonna measure it one more time just to make sure that I had my length right, and it's still 11, though that was right earlier. And then now I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little bit more of oil on the length of my hair, because I for now only added to my roots, and now I just want to make sure that my hair is fully ready for a long protective hairstyle, so I'm just gonna add some more on the length of my hair. And that's gonna be it for me today. So this is how I prep my hair for a long protective hairstyle, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and also to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and I'll see you on the next video.